Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pay for a Credit One credit card. Let's get straight into the video. You have a couple of payment methods. You have online payments, you've got phone payments, as well as mail payments, mobile app payments, and automatic bank drafts. So let's check that one by one. So how to make an online payments? What you got to do is to log into your Credit One online account, and then you want to click on make a payment button, and then just enter the payment amounts and select the payment date, and then just choose your payment method. That could be bank account or it could be debit card, and then just review and confirm your payment information, and then click submit to complete the payment. Now for setting up automatic bank drafts, how you want to do that is to first log into your Credit One account online, and then just click on the account setting button, and then you want to select automatic payments from the drop down menu, and then choose your payment frequency. That could be bi-weekly, it could be monthly. Then just enter your bank account information, and then review and confirm your automatic payment setup. Now, a couple of things to note about payment due dates and late fees. Payment due dates are typically 25 days after the close of the billing cycle. Late fees may apply if payments are not received by the due date. And to avoid late fees, make payments on time or set up automatic bank drafts. Now, a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first is to make payments on time to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. The second is to keep your account information up to date to ensure timely payments. The third is to consider setting up automatic bank drafts to simplify your payments. And lastly, you need to just make sure to contact Credit One's customer service if you have any questions or concerns about making payments. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to pay for a Credit One credit card. I hope you guys found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.